This town is one of those places that doesn't announce itself loudly. It sits quietly in southern Tuscany, carved directly into volcanic tuff stone, looking more like a continuation of the cliff than a town built on top of it. This is not a place of grand piazzas or postcard perfection. This is a place to immerse yourself into the past, into the medieval times, and to absorb history without the distraction of crowds. Welcome to Sorano. Sorano sits deep in southern Tuscany, tucked into a rocky valley and surrounded by rolling hills and carved ravines. It feels remote even today, like a place you don't just pass through. And that isolation is exactly what's helped preserve the town's character. Down at the bottom of the town, you'll find the lower gate into Sorano. It's also called Porta di Sotto, and it's the kind of old stone entrance that really feels like a doorway into another era. You can still see the vertical slits where the drawbridge chains once ran, and it sits right where the streets start to slope down toward the valley and the river below. When you walk through it, you're not just entering the town. You're stepping onto the old paths that used to connect Sorano with the countryside, and ancient routes carved into the rock. The stone walls and the sense that this was once a real border between the village and the wild world outside. Walking through Sorano's old town feels like stepping straight back into medieval times. The streets are very narrow and steep, so narrow the sun barely makes it down here. And most of the time, you'll have the whole place to explore by yourself. No crowds, no noise, just you and these quiet stone lanes. Some of the streets feel more like passageways than actual roads. They twist, climb suddenly, or just stop. And it's easy to get lost, but in a good way. You can really slow down and take it all in. These streets weren't built to look pretty, they were built for protection and survival, and you can still feel that today. The houses are literally built into the rock, stacked on top of each other, with walls blending straight into the stone. After a while, it's hard to tell what's natural and what's man-made, and that's what makes this place so special. It feels untouched, unknown to most tourists, and like you've got parts of the town completely to yourself. Above everything stands the Orsini fortress, watching over the town from the highest point. The fortress controlled the valley below and protected Sorano for centuries. From up here, the logic of the town becomes clear. Narrow streets funnel inwards, walls rise outwards, and every path once leads to defence. Wrapped in stone and silence, Sorano feels remarkably unchanged. A town shaped by centuries and content to remain exactly as it is. We are Cinematic Travels. And we really hope you enjoy our videos. and please like and subscribe if you do.